What's up, donks? Welcome back to Sudoku Jouet. My name is Sudoku. Today we're doing Crow's Feet by James Sinclair from Artisanal Sudoku Volume 205. Normal Sudoku rules, we have cages, arrows, and shaded circles. Okay, so we have 1 to 9 every row, every column, every 3 by 3 box. We have cages, so the digits in these dotted areas have to sum to the total in the top left. We have arrows, so the digits along these arrows have to sum to the connected circle. Then we have shaded circles. So these circles are odd. Okay, and that's all we got. I'm going to restart the timer and let's go. All right, so 23 can only be a 6, 8, 9. 24 can only be 7, 8, 9. So with this, since it has 3, and they can all see each other. So arrows can repeat digits if Sudoku rules apply. So if it basically breaks the border and they don't see each other, then that's fine. However, these 3 see each other. So there can only be 6, 7, 8, or 9, but we have a 6, 8, 9 there. So this is a 7. So forces this to be a 1, 2, 4. So then the only possible options for this would be a 3 and a 5 with a 1 here, which would place this as a 9. So that's going to be the 9. Delete these 9s. Okay. Then those 9s are gone as well. So this is a 9. And then we have 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this, if it was a 7, this could be a 1 for an 8. And if this is a 6, it could be a 1 or a 3. Actually, no. So this is a 7 or an 8. So this will be a 6, 7, and this is a 1 or a 3. So this is interesting. So it's going to be a 3 length and a 2 length. This one is either 3 or 5, because if it was a 7, it would have to be a 1 as well. So this is a 3, 5 as well. Oh yeah, we're just going to put a 1, 3, because if it's a 5, actually it could be a 5, 3, no, it could 5, 3, 1, or 5, 1, 2 would be an 8. That could be possible. But no, because then this has to be a 6. Yeah, right? No, this is a 6 or 7. Right, sorry, 6 or 7. And then this has to be a 1, right? Because if it's a 6 and 3, that can't be a 9. 7 and 3 is 10. So this is a 1. And then that's 7, 8. Yeah, I'm fine with this now. 1, 2, 4. And then this is, I'm just going to pencil mark it 6, 7, 8, 9. What do we got here? So this one can no longer have a 1 on it. So we know that this is now a 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then what about this one? Also cannot have a 1 on it. So this is going to be 2, 3, 5. Okay, so this cannot be a 1, 3, 5, or 7. So this is a 9, which puts the 9s here. 9 cannot be on the arrow, so the 9 will be there. So then the 9 will be here and there. All right, delete that 9. 6, 7, 8, which pencil marks the arrows, 9s there and there. And 7s will be here. Four, 6, 7, and 8. But that's a 7, 8 pair in the column. So if it's a 7, this would be a 2, 4. And then this would also be a 2, 4. So if this is a 1, 3, then this would be a 5. If this is a 1, 5, this would be a 3. Right? 1, 5 is, yeah, so this is a 3, 5. That's a 3, 5, and then this is 3, 5. So these two are going to be the same. Those two are going to be the same. So then the 5s will be down here. So 8's are going to be this way, right? Yes, because we have 7, 8, and 8, 8s. Okay, so 8's are going to be over here. Well, we have 8's there, so the 8's will be like that. Threes will be here. This is a 5, 6, 7, 8. That cannot be an 8. This cannot. Oh, there we go. So this is going to be a 7. Thanks to this. Okay, I missed that. Which pencil marks the 7's here. Okay, good. Okay, so how does this equal 8 without a 5? It would have to be 2, 6. So this is going to be a 2, 6 pair, which places this as a 5. That's going to be the 6, and then that's an 8, which places the 8 here. 8 will be there as well. 2, 6. So then we have a 3 and a 4 in the column. And then this is a 2, 4. Sixes are here. Okay. Sixes are there. Eights are like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 are remaining. Okay. Bunch of options. Fives are down here. Okay. Okay, so if this is a 7, this would have to be a 2, 4 pair, but that can't be because this is already a 2, 4. So this is going to be an 8. So that's going to be an 8. That's going to be an 8. That's a 6. Okay. Which plates? That's 7. That's an 8. So we're going to remove that 8, and then that's 6, 8. So it's a 4, 6, 7 triple. Okay. So this can be a 2, 6 or a 3, 5. No, sorry. 2, 5 or a 3, 4. 2, 5 or 3, 4. Yes. Sorry. 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay, so then the 5s are definitely up here. I'm I'm going to remove these 5s, but place them 2, 5, 3, 4, and 2, 5, 3, 4 here. But that's not a 3 or a 5. So that's a 2, 4. Okay. This is a 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. No, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, no, 6s are. Let me go like that. 6s are there in the column. Okay. Almost made a mistake. 6s, 6. Okay, so then 6s will be like that. Hmm. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7. Okay, so I'm gonna go 7s are like that in the column. They are down here. Oh, this cannot be a 7. So 7s are definitely in because this is 6, 7 pair. So yeah, 9s are like that in the column. That's good. Actually, that's just a 9 X-Wing. So actually I don't need that. That's fine. 9 X-Wing will do the trick for me. 3 and 5. So this is a 2, 6. So we already know that's a 3, 4. Until I clean up any more. Okay. Let's finish off this box. 1, 2, 3. 4's already done. 5's are down here. 6's, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then these are not 6s. Okay, so I was hoping I'd be able to clean up a little bit better than that. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. 1, 2. No, because that includes the 4. All right, this did not work out the way I was hoping it would. 3 and 5. We do have 7s like that. 6s. Okay. Yeah, that didn't clean up. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, this is an 8. That'll be a 7. So that's an 8, 6, and 7. And that was an 8 the whole time. Oh my goodness, why was I... Sometimes I'm just real slow. So this is a 1, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 3, 4, 5 over here as well. Can't believe it. I was sitting on 6 and 7 for so long, even though I already knew that that was an 8 with a 1. So this would be If it's a 2, that would be a 5. If, oh, so this is 2, 5. So this is another 3, 5. Okay. So 1s are there, so 1s are here. 5s and 5s. One, three, four, five. 4, 5. There we go. That's a 6. 4, 7, 6. Okay, so that's gonna be a 2. Whoa. That's gonna be a 2 with a 5. So this is a 6. So that's a 7. All right. I'm not happy with the way things are going right now. I could have done this way better. So then that's 1, 4, 5 triple. So that's not a 4. Those are not 3s. That's a 2, 4 pair. Put a 3 here. 2 goes there. That's going to be a 2. I have 5, 4, 2. That'll be a 1, 6, and 3. That's going to be a 4 with a 3. We have a 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 3, 5. That's going to be a 5, 3 as well. We have a 5, 1, 4. Uno, cinco, siete, siete, nueve, dos, uno, cuatro, seis, nueve, dos, cuatro, uno, tres, cuatro, uno, siete, dos, y cinco. 1711. That was way too slow. I was just not seeing it. I was not seeing it. Even though the answers were staring me right in the face, I just didn't see it.